In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create designs for DTF transfers in Canva. If you want to make custom t-shirts, hoodies, or other apparel with DTF transfers, getting your Canva file set up correctly is extremely important. A design that looks great on screen can still print poorly if the canvas size, text, colors, or transparency settings are not handled properly. The good news is that Canva makes this process much easier when you know exactly what to do. To begin, open Canva from the main homepage and go to the top right corner. Click Create a Design, then choose Custom Size. Before entering anything, change the unit from pixels to inches. This is a very important step because DTF printing depends on real physical dimensions, not web size graphics. Enter the exact size you need for your transfer. For example, you might use 12 by 12 inches for a standard oversized front design, or use the dimensions required by your print provider. Then click Create New Design to open your workspace. Once your blank canvas is ready, move to the left sidebar and click Uploads. Select Upload Files and bring in your high-resolution artwork, such as PNG, JPEG, or SVG files. After the files finish uploading, drag your main graphic onto the canvas and position it where you want it. Try to keep the layout centered and balanced, especially if this design will be printed on the front of a shirt. Next, add your text. In the left sidebar, click Text and choose Add a Text Box. Type in your message, brand wording, or design phrase, then use the toolbar at the top to adjust the font and styling. For DTF printing, bold and solid fonts usually work best because they hold up better during production and pressing. Avoid thin, delicate lettering or tiny details that may not print cleanly on fabric. After that, review every element on the canvas carefully. Click on your graphics and text one by one and check the opacity settings in the top toolbar. Make sure everything is set to 100% opacity. Semi-transparent effects and soft fades can cause problems in DTF printing, often leading to rough or messy edges. If you want a distressed look, use clean, solid cutouts instead of transparent fading. Finally, do a last check to make sure the design looks clean and there are no unwanted shapes or backgrounds left behind. Then go to the top right corner, click Share, and choose Download. Set the file type to PNG and make sure transparent background is enabled. If your Canva plan includes it, increase the export size to 3x for the highest quality, then click Download to save your print-ready design. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.